In this video, I'll create this gift card holder using this month's freebie. Come craft with me. This month's freebie is this Christmas themed sheet. You can download it and print at home. The link is in the description box. I'm using a 4x12-inch piece of cardstock. I fold the bottom to form a pocket for a gift card. I then punch a notch. I didn't measure, but the pocket is about 7 centimeters or 2 inches and 3/4 deep. I fold the top to form a flap. I cut the freebie sheet in pieces that are slightly smaller than the pocket, flap, and the backside of my gift card holder. I punched a notch to this piece and glue it onto the pocket. I glue another piece of the freebie sheet onto the back. I also glue one piece onto the flap. I glue a piece of copy paper inside the flap so I have a place to write my Christmas greetings. I add glue on the left and right side of the pocket and glue it down. I add Velcro stickers, but you can also use little magnets or make a belly band for closure. And here we have a simple gift card holder with writing space.